Hey guys, how is it going? So Oraimo listened to me again. If you remember, I told Oraimo to make an app for their wireless earbuds. But I think the way forward for Oraimo, maybe for their next wireless AirPods, will be to have an app. And they did. They released an app alongside the Oraimo FreePods 4. And in my Oraimo FreePods 4 review, I told Oraimo to make an in-ear version of the Oraimo FreePods 4. Oraimo, if you're watching, please make a half-in-ear version of the Oraimo FreePods 4. Only me will buy 5, I promise. And they did. This is the Oraimo Riff 2, and it's basically a more affordable FreePods 4 without noise cancellation. It'll cost you 13,500 Naira, and in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing every aspect of the Oraimo Riff 2 to find out if it's worth it, if you should buy it. So let's get started. My name is UD, I talk about tech. Let's shoot. Before we unbox the Oraimo Riff 2, if you are new to our channel or you are not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe to our channel. Even Oraimo watches our videos, so yeah, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so you get notified once we post new review videos just like this one. So inside the box of the Oraimo Riff 2, first we get the earbuds inside the case. Right off the bat, I already like this transparent design. Next, we get a Type-C cable for charging. And lastly, the manual. All this for 13,500 Naira. To get a discount on Oraimo products, including the Oraimo Riff 2, simply use this coupon code during the checkout process. Feel free to use it as many times as you need. It will always work. The code is valid for multiple use. So make sure you take a screenshot of it right now or jot it down somewhere safe so that you can use it when you need it. You can also find the code in the pinned comments and of course in the video description. The Oraimo Riff 2 boasts an impressive design, with its translucent lid that adds to its appeal. Made of plastic, it still manages to offer a sturdy build quality. You can flip the case upside down and the lid will not close, nor will the earbuds fall out, showcasing its superior build quality. We see the Oraimo branding up front. At the bottom we see the case status indicator, the Type-C port for charging, and the reset button. The earbuds design is just as impressive, offering a half-in-ear design that is super lightweight. The touch sensor, the earbud status indicator, and the microphone are all conveniently located, while at the bottom of the earbuds features another microphone and the charging cutout point. Pairing up the earbuds is a breeze, and thanks to Bluetooth version 5.3, connectivity is swift and reliable. As I mentioned earlier, the Oraimo Riff 2 earbuds are incredibly lightweight, ensuring a comfortable and snug fit in your ears. The weight is so minimal that it's easy to forget that you are even wearing them. In-ear earbuds like the Oraimo FreePods 4 don't work for me though. They tend to make my ears itch after prolonged periods. However, my friends did find the Oraimo FreePods 4 to be quite comfortable, so I guess it's a matter of personal preference. For me, half-in-ear earbuds like the Oraimo Riff 2 are a better fit. I can wear them for hours without any discomfort or sleeping. So if you have ears like mine, then the Oraimo Riff 2 is an excellent choice. But if you have normal ears, then the Oraimo FreePods 4 should work just fine. To see my review on the Oraimo FreePods 4, simply click on the icon here. The video link can also be found both in the description and in the pinned comment. The Oraimo Riff 2 doesn't disappoint when it comes to sound quality either. In fact, I'll give it a solid 7.5/10 rating. While they are not quite on the same level as the Oraimo FreePods 4, the difference is hardly noticeable, except for the bass. The FreePods 4 seem to have stronger bass because of the snug fit of their ear tips. These ear tips tightly seal your ears and improve bass performance. Therefore, if you prefer headphones with booming bass, then I'll recommend the FreePods 4. That said, the Oraimo Sound app allows you to customize the sound with an equalizer that includes a heavy bass settings, which will significantly increase the bass. Overall, the sound is clear on the mids and the high notes are crisp. I put this earbud to the test with different genres and the results were impressive. Hey guys, so this is what it will sound like if you're using the Oraimo Riff 2 to make a call. They're in my ears right now. So let me know what you think of the call audio quality in the comments below. Let's delve into the touch controls now. Customizing the touch controls is a breeze with the app, allowing you to set it up as per your preferences. I selected the right earbud for music controls and answering phone calls. A quick tap of the earbud pauses and resumes playback, while a double tap or triple tap takes you to the next track or the previous track. Furthermore, you can use a long press to activate Google Assistant or reject incoming calls. The left earbud is for volume control with a single and double tap for volume up and volume down respectively. And to activate game mode, you need to hold down for 4 beeps. The Oraimo Sound app has truly impressed me. One standout feature is the ability to monitor the battery percentage of both earbuds and the case. Additionally, the app lets you to toggle game mode settings with ease. The earbuds battery life is equally impressive, with 35 mAh batteries in each earbuds and a 460 mAh battery in the case. With a single charge, you can enjoy uninterrupted music playback for 6 hours on the Oraimo Riff 2. And the case can recharge the earbuds up to 4 times, giving you almost 30 hours of continuous playback. Oraimo has once again delivered with the Oraimo Riff 2. From its design to its features, it has captured the essence of a great earbud. Its half-in-ear design is perfect for those who don't like in-ear design, like me, while its touch controls are customizable enough to accommodate the preferences of its users. Additionally, the battery life is one of the most impressive features, giving you up to 30 hours of continuous playback. Overall, the Oraimo Riff 2 is a great earbud and it is worth its price. Oraimo has recently launched yet another wireless earbud called the Oraimo FreePods Lite. If you'd like to learn more about it, don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section. I'll happily do a review on it if I get at least 10 comments requesting for it. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shoes. Thank you so much for watching, and you see me in my next video.